Today I'm taking apart a Schlage door handle. If you can't find the brand name on the handle, they'll usually be on the latch plate right here. This one's a little trickier than normal handle. It's not just 2 screws, so I'll show you how to do that. The first step is removing the actual handle. There's a small hole right here. You just need a pin, something small and strong. Push that in there, pull the handle out, there you go. And then this follows right behind. This is the part that got me stuck. So you'll need to remove these screws like any door, but there is this part right here that's threaded. So I'm just using a screwdriver to unscrew that. You could use pliers probably, or whatever you want. So for reassembling the door, we already put that threaded part on. They're screwed together. And then this next part has a bump right here. You want that to be facing away from the door jamb. And then we'll put the plate on next. It's got 2 little indents. You want to line those up with the indents on the side there. And then just give it a little twist and it'll lock into place. Next we have the handle. So right here, we'll line up that bump right there. It's locked in. There you go.